What does success mean to you?
Success means achieving my goals and living a meaningful life.
How can someone start their journey toward success?
They can start by setting clear goals and making a plan to reach them.
What is the first step to becoming successful?
The first step is believing in yourself and your abilities.
How important is hard work in achieving success?
Hard work is essential because it turns dreams into reality.
Why should people set goals in life?
Goals give direction and purpose to what we do every day.
How can discipline help in success?
Discipline helps you stay consistent even when motivation fades.
What kind of mindset does a successful person need?
A successful person needs a positive and growth-oriented mindset.
How can failure lead to success?
Failure teaches valuable lessons that help improve future efforts.
What role does confidence play in success?
Confidence allows you to take action without fear of mistakes.
How can time management improve your chances of success?
Managing time wisely helps you stay productive and focused.
What habits should a successful person develop?
A successful person should develop habits like reading, planning, and self-reflection.
How can reading books help you become successful?
Books provide knowledge, inspiration, and different perspectives on life.
Why is self-discipline more important than motivation?
Self-discipline keeps you moving forward when motivation disappears.
How can someone overcome laziness?
They can overcome laziness by setting deadlines and keeping themselves accountable.
What is the importance of a positive attitude?
A positive attitude helps you see opportunities instead of problems.
How can a person stay focused on their goals?
They can stay focused by avoiding distractions and tracking their progress.
Why is it important to have patience on the path to success?
Patience helps you stay calm and persistent, even when results take time.
How can planning ahead lead to success?
Planning ahead prevents confusion and saves valuable time.
What kind of people should you surround yourself with?
You should surround yourself with supportive and inspiring people.
How can teamwork help you achieve success?
Teamwork combines different strengths to reach bigger goals faster.
Why should you learn from successful people?
Learning from them gives you proven strategies and valuable insights.
How can you stay motivated every day?
You can stay motivated by reminding yourself why you started.
What role does passion play in success?
Passion gives energy and excitement to keep working hard.
How can someone turn their dreams into action?
They can turn dreams into action by breaking them into small goals.
Why should you never stop learning?
Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and your skills relevant.
How can you build confidence in yourself?
You can build confidence by taking small steps and celebrating progress.
Why should you keep a positive environment around you?
A positive environment keeps you inspired and reduces negativity.
How can you develop leadership skills?
Leadership skills grow through responsibility, communication, and empathy.
Why is persistence important for success?
Persistence helps you continue even when things get difficult.
How can healthy habits support your success?
Healthy habits keep your body and mind strong for daily challenges.
Why is it necessary to manage stress?
Managing stress helps you stay calm and make better decisions.
How can gratitude help you succeed?
Gratitude keeps you humble and focused on what truly matters.
What is the role of self-confidence in achieving goals?
Self-confidence gives you courage to take new opportunities.
How can someone build a strong work ethic?
They can build it by being responsible and consistent in their efforts.
Why should you avoid comparing yourself to others?
Comparing yourself to others can steal your focus and peace.
How can failure shape a successful mindset?
Failure builds resilience and teaches how to try smarter next time.
Why is it important to take risks sometimes?
Taking risks helps you discover new paths and grow faster.
How can self-awareness improve your chances of success?
Self awareness helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses.
Why should you manage your time effectively?
Effective time management ensures every hour is used wisely.
How can you make your dreams realistic?
You can make them realistic by setting achievable steps toward them.
Why is it important to set deadlines?
Deadlines push you to stay focused and complete tasks on time.
How can being organized lead to success?
Being organized saves time and keeps your mind clear.
What can you learn from your mistakes?
You can learn what doesn't work and how to improve next time.
Why is networking important in becoming successful?
Networking opens new doors for opportunities and collaboration.
How can you keep your mind focused on success?
You can focus your mind through meditation and positive thinking.
What is the importance of communication skills?
Good communication builds trust and helps you express ideas clearly.
How can you stay humble while becoming successful?
You can stay humble by remembering your struggles and helping others.
Why should you keep track of your progress?
Tracking progress shows how far you've come and keeps you motivated.
How can you stay productive throughout the day?
You can stay productive by planning tasks and taking short breaks.
Why is it good to wake up early?
Waking up early gives you more time to plan and focus.
How can daily routines bring success?
Routines create consistency and reduce decision fatigue.
Why is it important to stay honest in your work?
Honesty builds trust and a strong professional reputation.
How can small goals lead to big achievements?
Small goals create momentum that builds toward larger success.
Why should you celebrate small wins?
Celebrating small wins keeps your motivation and confidence high.
How can you develop mental strength?
You can build it through challenges, patience, and positive thinking.
Why is it important to be adaptable?
Adaptability helps you face changes without losing direction.
How can you deal with negative people?
You can deal with them by setting boundaries and staying polite.
Why should you stay consistent?
Consistency builds trust, habits, and lasting results.
How can you maintain work-life balance?
You can maintain it by setting priorities and taking rest when needed.
Why is passion not enough without effort?
Passion gives purpose, but effort turns it into success.
How can you handle rejection positively?
You can handle it by learning from it and trying again better.
Why should you take responsibility for your actions?
Taking responsibility builds character and earns respect.
How can honesty help in personal growth?
Honesty helps you understand yourself and improve sincerely.
Why is listening an important skill for success?
Listening helps you understand others and make wise decisions.
How can writing goals make a difference?
Writing goals makes them clear and keeps you accountable.
Why should you believe in your abilities?
Believing in yourself gives strength to keep moving forward.
How can you make better decisions?
You can make better decisions by thinking calmly and gathering facts.